So when I'm on vacation, I don't want to cook and I don't want to shave. This year, the guys at Surf's Up Seafood here in North Carolina have got a great solution for me. Come on, let's go see what those crazy guys got together. So what is this?
This is going to be your Surf's Up Seafood clam bake.
I am more excited than I can say.
I can tell. The smiles coming from the other side of the camera are phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Good night, look at these things.
And they're loaded up for bear.
Wow.
I mean, we're talking stout. Everything that comes, this is the combo number 2.
Okay.
This comes with 2 pounds of shrimp, 24 clams, 4 clusters of snow crab, 4 ears of corn, all spice seasoned and ready to go.
And so when you cook them, we're going to get them home, or what are we going to do exactly?
We make that even easier. We send out cooking instructions.
Wow, sweet.
Now when you get this home, all you need to do is take 1 beer, dump it right into the can, 18 to 20 minutes, and you're ready to go.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and we're going to be feasting like kings, huh?
I'm telling you, if you have truly 8 people, you will not have 8 people get up hungry. I put my word on that. I guarantee it.
Seafood bake.
Woo! Really good. Yum!
What are we thinking? Seafood bake? Meal in a can.
Super delicious.